Good Friday morning, and thanks for logging on to your Aggie Land Carpet One forecast. I'm meteorologist Natalie Ferrari. Some folks did start off the day with some low clouds moving on through. Nowhere near as cloudy and nowhere near as foggy as what we were dealing with yesterday morning, but still a very mild muggy start to the day. Visibility was reduced for some of our southern counties early this morning, still dealing with a little bit of those patchy areas of fog, especially down to our southern counties. Some areas have had that visibility reduced to just less than half a mile. But here in Bryan College Station and points up to the north hasn't been much of an issue this morning. Temperatures ranging anywhere from the mid-60s to the mid-70s. Typically, where temperatures are a little bit warmer, that's where you're dealing with some more moisture this morning. A little bit of drier air again off to the north, and that's allowed temperatures to cool down a little bit quicker since the overnight hours. You can't pick up that fog or that really fine low-level cloud cover on our satellite and radar image here, but you can pick up that we are dealing with high pressure moving on through the state, high up in the atmosphere, some drier air, but down to the surface is where we're dealing with that muggy Gulf air, and that's why we're going to be dealing with a hot and humid forecast over the next couple of days. Highs aiming for right near 94 degrees by this afternoon, anywhere between 93 and 94, and then by sunset we'll gradually but slowly bring down those temperatures. Expect sunshine to break through those morning clouds, though, by this afternoon as well. Overnight into your Saturday morning, we'll kick things off near the lower 70s, so if you're heading out to Kyle Field pretty early, that's what you're going to expect. It's going to be a comfortable yet muggy morning, but by the afternoon, things are going to heat up quickly, so get ready to kind of bake a little bit there in Kyle Field as those temperatures do warm on up, again, towards those mid-90s by the mid to late afternoon hours. Very similar to what we're dealing with today. You can almost copy and paste that forecast into tomorrow. For those who are heading out to those Friday night football games, again, once we lose some of that daytime heat, temperatures will slowly be able to fall into the 80s, so it's going to be a warm one out there with a few clouds hanging around. Should still make way for a beautiful sunset, just keeping those above average temperatures around, not only for today but over the next couple of days as well. Pretty variable winds by the end of the weekend towards next week, but those temperatures remaining pretty consistent. Highs in the mid-90s, overnight lows in the lower 70s.